Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit or create a cover based off of your videos in CapCut PC. So if you select cover right here, you can either select it from your video or import a picture. I'm just going to select it from the video. Then I am going to find one that correlates with it. So I'm going to select travel. Then I'm going to select the kind of template that I want. Maybe this one. And then I'm just going to change this. If I can just type that. And you can also select it, and you can change the font as well here, as you can see. And it's going to change the font. I don't quite like this one. Also going to select this, and I'm going to change the font here. Okay. And you can also change the color of the text here. And I just added in some shadows. You can also add, change the shadow color. You can change the opacity here, the blur, the distance, and you can add in glow as well to it if you'd like to. As you can see, you can even make it curve as well. I'm going to change the opacity a little bit so you can kind of see it a little better. Like that. You can also add in filters to the image as well. For instance, this one. And you can also adjust the color here as well if you'd like to. And you can add in some frames. You can make a collage. You can add in some stickers as well. Here, I'm just going to type in cloud. Hopefully something shows up. Just double tap it and add it to your image. Oh, this one's like a speech bubble, and you can change the color of the stickers, I think. Let me actually see if you can change it. Oh, you can select it and you can press apply. But I quite just like the normal color on it. Like that. Just copy and paste it if you'd like to. And then you can also add some shapes. You can select from the designs, and once you're done, you're just going to hit the save button. And when you export it, it's going to be separated from the video if you'd like to. So if you go to export, okay, I can't because I just can't, but you're just going to export it, and then it's going to be separate from your video. Here, I'll show you real quick with something else. If I press export here, you can either add a video cover at the beginning or not. So I don't tick it. So when I export it, it's going to be in a different file. So let's open folder. As you can see, it's its own thumbnail right here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!